All right, I've taken my Japanese joiner saw. I don't know that's what exactly the name of these things are, but it's the best darn little saw I've ever gotten. I got it on Amazon, and I was able to saw the front part of the skull off of these figures of the true forms, so that I can not be confined to just the form in the foam. And it didn't do any damage to anything at all. I'm not gonna. That's just so I got a little extra room for the clay, and I can make my face the way I want to without having parts of the foam come popping through. Anyway, what I'm going to do right now is make an armature for the gentleman that's going to be up here on the rock, because I got to figure him out, and I'm going to do that right now. All right, I got the start of the figure for the Native American male. Now, it's a different armature than I normally make, and I'm taking the measurements off the male figures. Now, this female, I reduced the width of her arms, the shoulders, by about a half head length. A male is a 2 head lengths. Now, a female figure, ideally, the shoulders between the shoulders, the outer edge of the shoulders, is 1.5 heads wide. On a male, it's 2 heads wide. There is a difference. Now, my ex-wife, her shoulders were more of a 2 head wide shoulder. So all females are not the same. Some are different, and but the ideal is 1.5 heads. All right, I got all 3 figures on the sculpture. I've got the young warrior, the young maiden, and the mountain man, who's hiding behind the rock. Trying to avoid a fight. Okay, now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do next. I think I'll start on this figure here, and of the mountain man. So I got a setup for that. All right, I'm going to start adding clay to the mountain man figure. Okay, I'm starting the head of the figure, and I put the front part that I cut off back on, but this time it's clay. I'm going to have to take the head off and work on it separate, but that'll come later. Sorry, my hands keep getting in the way. I'm going to have to do some research on my computer tonight of men with legs in this position. I don't know if I'll find anything, but you never know. You can find just about everything you need to know on the web. Anyway, I'm getting to the extent that I can get to right now. And I'm going to have to pick this up tomorrow. I apologize I wasn't here yesterday, but I had a doctor's appointment and had to take care of that. Well, like I said, I'm going to have to do some research as far as the position of this leg and the muscle structure of the hip at this point. And get my mannequins over here so I can have some anatomy to go by. Now, anyway, I'll pick this up tomorrow and see how far I can get. Gotta continue his bum. Yeah. Well, anyway. All right. Good night, everybody, and I'll see you next time. As you can see, we got a little bit. I mean, it took me a while to get that armature made. I've got a really good video on making armatures and for animals and humans, and I sell them online. They're for streaming video on Vimeo or Vimeo. I don't know how they pronounce it, but once you have the password, you can watch that video anytime you want, and it will help you to make better armatures. All right, everybody, good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.